welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first video and I'll be telling you all the tricks that I used to pass my DG exam. So DG is it's kind of tough to study each drug. So these are the few methods that I used to pass my exam. So if you like the video, please do like it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe. Okay, so let's start. So basically in DG, you know that there is two papers, right? So paper 1 and paper 2. So in paper 1, it's all basic stuffs. You have Rasa, Guna, Virya, Vipaka, Prabhava, Karma, etc. So paper 1 is very easy. Okay, if you learn paper 1 well, you can easily score in paper 1. If you study little, if you put little efforts and study paper 1, easily you'll get 60 and above. Okay, so but paper 2 needs a little bit of smart work. Okay, because you can't study the whole thing. So this is what I did. Okay, so I'll tell you now. So in paper 2, as you know, there is two things, right? So detailed and non-detailed drugs. So in detailed drugs, so these points, so in detailed drugs, if you go through the syllabus, there are many points that they have given that we have to learn, but it is really difficult to learn all those points. So these few points, if you thoroughly learn, you can easily clear the detailed drugs. Okay, I'll show you how. So for any drug, let it be detailed or non-detailed, make sure you learn the botanical name and family. Okay, these two are very important. Okay, I have not written here, but make sure you learn the family also. So this is very important for every drug. If you know this two, easily you will get 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark you will get easily. So make sure you learn these two for every drug. Okay, every day if you sit and learn 5 drugs, easily it will come. Okay, you can buy at it very easily. So learn these two. Then in detailed drug, that is one thing. Next, coming to the synonyms. So in detailed drug, the synonyms are very important. So in the further videos, I'll be sharing all the synonyms of drugs which you have to know particularly. Okay, so synonyms can be asked for 5 marks as well as 3 marks. Even in the 15-mark question they will ask. Okay, so synonyms you have to learn, and there are few synonyms for drugs which are very specific to that particular drug. So that synonym is very important. I'll be sharing in later videos. Okay, and then in morphology, if you are not able to study the whole morphology, the leaf pattern, the how the flower is, the racemose, chyme, etc., if you are not able to study all that, at least the habit of the plant you must know. Okay, habit in the sense whether it's a shrub, tree, or a herb, you must know. That one is very important. So make sure you learn at least the habit in the morphology. Okay, then rasa panchaka. So rasa panchaka is very easy to learn for a drug. So if you learn the rasa panchaka, you can write the karma and the indication on your own. So you will have an idea if that rasa panchaka for that drug is like this. So the karma and indication you will easily get to know. So make sure you learn the rasa panchaka so that karma and indication becomes easy. Okay, and in karma you need not learn the whole karma. Okay, if you learn that one specific karma which makes that drug different from other drugs, that one if you write, it's more than enough. They'll see that one and they'll give you marks. Okay, so coming to indication, now you know the karma. Now it is Ridya. So Hridaya Roga will become easier for you. Understood? So if you learn Rasa Panchaka, these two becomes very easy. So make sure you learn Rasa Panchaka. You will get an idea as you know, as you start studying, you'll get an idea how to study Rasa Panchaka. It will be difficult initially, but Rasa Panchaka is very important. Okay, make sure you learn that. And then yogas. Yogas is easy. At least 2 for each drug. You have to learn yogas. Okay, that is like a pakka question in for 5 marks. So yogas are very important. That is about detailed. So this much points make sure you learn for detailed drug. I am very sure you can pass if you learn this much. Okay, and then if you're coming to non-detailed drug, so botanical name and family. Okay, please include the family here. I have not included, but please include the family. So botanical name and family, just like detailed drug, is very important for non-detailed drug as well. So if you can't learn everything in non-detailed drug, at least if you know these two, you're sure to get 1 mark. Okay, so make sure you learn these two. Okay, then morphology, as I told you, habit is enough. So morphology, the whole thing is not required, definitely not required. Habit, if you learn for non-detailed drug, it's more than enough. Then coming to indication, that one specific indication of that plant, if you write, it's more than enough for non-detailed drug. You need not learn many. Okay, and karma, so if you know the karma, you'll easily get to know the indication as well. So this much is for non-detailed drug. So this much I did. So every day I took about 5 detailed drugs and 5 non-detailed drugs, and I studied, and it was very easy for me. So please use, if you use this method, I'm sure you can pass by studying so much. So make sure you do all this, and if it's helpful, please do share my video. Thank you.